Hello everyone, here's Maljanka again with Genre 3, the channel where you restore your body, rebuild your mind, and renew your spirit. Congratulations, because today is day 10, which means we have already completed 9 days and we're gonna restart the whole series. So today is squats again. It's just a little bit more advanced, so be ready to either load yourself with more weight or increase your range of motion. I'll explain the whole thing throughout the class, but for now, go ahead and grab some big weights that you might have around and your mat. And let's get this party started. Awesome. So here we go. Cardio. So we go. Nice and easy, working those legs, yes? So today we have front of the squat and the sides, yes? So what I mean is we're gonna be doing 2 different ways of doing squats. So pay attention. We're gonna begin. Awesome, let's go, make it bigger. Bend those knees, double. Single, single, double. That's it. Good job. Here we go. Single, single, double knee. Good. Getting ready for that workout. Love it. Going back to single, single, double curl. Yes. Now try to go low. Good job. One more. Okay, look at this. Open and close. Open and close. Good. Bend those knees. Yeah, I'm already feeling my heart pumping. Give me double now. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. Yes. Repeat. One more. Okay. Hold it here. Need. Right there, you're gonna feel your BMOs, which is this muscle that we're gonna be working hard today. Ready? Yes, single, single, double curl. Good job. Congratulations for completing halfway of the challenge almost, yeah? Here we go. Ready? Single, single, double knee. Breathe. Lullaby. Awesome job. Beautiful. Going back to curls. Double. Yes. Single, single, double. That's it. Woo. Awesome. Bend the knee. Yes. Working hard. That's the only way we can see those results. Awesome. Knee up. Woo. Double. Breathe. Get ready. We're about to end. Yeah, la la bye. Boom. Awesome. With a lot of fun and a lot of passion. So let's get ready for that heavy weight, all right? I'm gonna show you 3 ways of doing this. First, your body weight. So if you're not using weights, then you're gonna go deeper. Second, you can do a bar. And lastly, you can do dumbbells. And I'm gonna start with that so you can see, okay? Let's say you have dumbbells at home. Now I have 25-pound dumbbells, so I have 50 pounds right here. So if you have this, you're gonna bring them up right by your shoulders. See this? Okay, we start with front squats. This is heavy, guys, so you might protect your shoulders with something. Here we go. Take it down. Down, 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 up. Yeah, 3 and 1s. We remember the squat technique, yeah? Good job. We're gonna push the hip back and bend the knees. Awesome. Now look at this. Triple pulse. 3, 2, 1, 2 singles. Awesome. If you're not using weights, then you're gonna go deeper. Try your best. Nice job. Okay? Hold it up here. I'm gonna change because these are heavy. And if I want to keep only one, you already know how to do it, right? Right here. Down and up. Down and up. We're still in front squat, which is a little bit wider, just a little bit than your hips. 3, 2, 1, and up. We already did this type of squat with the weight in the front with plates before. Okay, ready? Awesome. Here we go. Pulses for 3. 3, 2, 1. Singles for 2. Oh yeah. Do it again. Now we're gonna be here for a little while. So commit to that workout. Remember, the more the burn, the better for you. You want to feel the burn. I did 2 triples. I did your triples, guys. Singles now. One more time. Hold. Okay. Gonna go down to put that plate and then get the bar up. This is the third choice, okay? Now listen, we're gonna go wider. I'm teaching like if I'm teaching somebody in the gym. We're not cutting, we're not editing, we're going straight to it. Ready? Open wide, hold it. Really wide, toes out, knees out. 3, 2, 1, 2 singles. So in the wide squat, we're really increasing that big movement and range. Yeah. I'm gonna give you my profile. Yeah, can you see it? My chest is up because I'm wide. Do it again. Go low, go low. You got this, you got this. Again. Nice job. Singles for 2. We're gonna do one more. Let's go. Oh, that was extra. Hold it up here. We did it, guys. Okay, to get a bar off your body safely, this is what you do. Let me show you my profile. You bend, push with your knees, hold, and bring it closer to your body, and then bend your knees to put it down. Okay, I'm gonna do another video of that only. All right, so let's put the equipment away so we're ready for the next song. All right, I'm magically ready. This time, I put my hair up. Remember, we are here doing stretching, but not only stretching, restoration of our mind and soul. So here we go. To stretch the quads, best way absolutely is by pulling that quad. So we can do 90-90 or we can do pigeon. So we're gonna try pulling the squat towards the back of your body and feel the stretch. If this is not enough, you know what to do, go up. Now balance yourself, try relaxing right here. Breathe in and breathe out. And if you want even more, you extend your body forward. That is gonna give you a nice stretch of your quads. Breathe in deeply, guys, and then out. Nice, okay. We're gonna undo, change it to the other side. So this song, I really had not heard before, but my 12-year-old daughter, now 13, she gave it to me, and she told me, this is good for that, Mom, and I'm, okay. What do you think? All right, now I'm gonna get quiet and get in the stretch. Awesome, breathe in, breathe out. Feel that stretch, relax. Awesome job. Okay, another way of stretching legs is with a nice lunge. It's gonna go forward and then try to drop hip right here. Yeah? To make it work a little bit deeper, an option is to bring the elbow to the floor. Okay, right here. Now your shoulder is kind of in a diagonal line. If you have the flexibility, you might want to put both elbows on the floor. But for that, open heel toe your leg, so you have a little more space. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, let it relax. Undo very slowly from foot back. And then you can do the other foot. Now I'm gonna give you my front so you can see what I mentioned before. So first, your deep lunge, and then you're gonna try to drop one elbow. Yes? Now look at me. Heel toe better. And then I don't have that much space, so I'm gonna kind of go sideways. So now here, I'm gonna drop the elbow and let the stretch go. You're feeling it right in the hip flexor as well as the hamstring. Yeah? All right, dear friends, use the other elbow and see how that feels. Heel toe your leg on the floor or your foot. Take a big inhale again. Exhale. This is great not only for your muscles of your leg but also for your hips. Keep breathing, relaxing. Use your hands and come back to seated position. And then in here we just breathe up and down. And we are officially done. Congratulations one more time, you did it. It's already day 10, can you believe it? So thank you again for following this series and for committing to your own health. You are doing it one class at a time, one class fitter, one class healthier, one class stronger. Take care, see you tomorrow. Bye.